Hi guys, so the question is array cloning technique. So as you guys can read, you are given an array of n integers. Initially there is only one copy of the given array. You can do the operation of two types. Choose any array and clone it. After that there is one more copy of that chosen array. Okay, swap two. Okay, listen. Choose any array and clone it. Okay, choose any arrays and clone it. Okay, after that there is one more copy of the chosen array. Okay, swap two elements from the array from any two swap two elements from any two copies, maybe in the same copy on any position. Okay, you need to find the minimal number of operation needed to obtain a copy where all the elements are equal. Okay, so yeah, the input is given t test cases. There are first line contain a single integer and the length of the array. Then second line contain number of elements in the array. Okay, and it is guaranteed the sum of n over all the test cases does not exist 10 to the power 5. Okay, for each test case output a single integer. Okay, the minimum number of operation needed to create at least one copy where all the elements are equal. Okay, so what we have to basically do over here, we can do two types of operation. Okay, clone an array or swap two elements. In cloning an array, we can make an exact copy of the existing array. Okay, but there will be a, what I can say, operation cost. It is not mentioned over here. No, it is mentioned you need to find the minimum number of operation needed to obtain a copy where all the elements are equal. Okay, so minimum number, I mean operation cost. Each operation cost something. Okay, so we have to get the minimum number of operation cost. Second, we can swap any two elements. Okay, in second it is mentioned swap two elements. So in this we can swap any two elements. They can be from same array or either different. Okay, but our goal is here is create at least one array in which all the elements are equal using the minimum number of operations. This is our goal in this question. Okay, but one observation you have to make, you cannot create a new value. We don't have to create a new whole value, we just have to copy. Okay, clone, we can just clone. And swapping all, and also one thing, swapping only moves the value around. Okay, swapping will only move the value around. Okay, it does not change. So the final array must contain a value that already exists in the original array. By swapping the value does not change. It should be changed after swapping also. Okay, we must choose one existing value, make the entire array equal to it. Okay, the basic is we can use all this operation to find the minimum number of operation needed to make a create at least one array which all element are equal. Okay, we are using minimum number of operation. Okay, this is our goal. But one more thing which we have to follow, which value should be chosen. Okay, so which value we should choose, like for example, suppose we have 1 2 2 2 3 times 2 and then 5. Okay, there are 5 elements in the array. Okay, 1 3 times 2 then 5. So the value 2 appears 3 times, other value appear fewer times. Okay, so what we will do, we choose 2 because it's best. Why? Because fewer element needed to be changed and less swapping needed. Okay, what's the conclusion it made? What I am trying to saying is we always choose the value with the maximum frequency. Okay, in this example, like the maximum frequency is 3, so we'll choose 3, like that. Okay, something like it. Other than that, what we can do, uh, everything is okay. Okay, one more thing. Why we are cloning the array? Because it help initially. We can have one array with the same max copies of the target. Okay, of the target value. Like target is 0 in frequency, max frequency is 2, max frequency of any given array is 2. Okay, like 2 is the max frequency in the given array, 2 appears the most time, and the target is 0. What we do in cloning, we have to understand. When we clone an array, we'll get another copy of that also have max copies of the target value. Okay, so cloning let us multiple how many copies of the target value have and label for swapping. Okay, the more number of swapping, it help in cloning, it help in swapping, like that I'm saying. Okay, so I have already written its solution. Yeah, so as you guys see, just a second. Yeah, so this is the solution. Just a second. Okay, yeah, so the code is compiled. Okay, so I have written the solution. It's very basic, as you can see. T number of test cases, then n size of the array, then we have declared the an array. Okay, vector array. Okay, then we enter the value, we sort it first. Then what we will do, we take a max is equal to 1 and current is equal to 1. Okay, then what we will do, inside take a for loop, and if a at index I is equal to a at index I minus 1, then we increment the current value. Else what do we do, we'll take the max of current and max and take it into the max, and what I can say, assigned current is equal to 1. Okay, then we'll do the same over here. But what we are trying over here is, we are trying to find if max frequency is equal to array size, no operation needed at that time. Okay, what we'll do, we move to the next case. Okay, as you can see, we move here. What we are doing, we count the clone operation, like current is equal to how many correct values we currently have, and max is what, max is start. Okay, then what we are doing, we are using doubling loop. Okay, doubling loop means this loop will iterate till and current is greater than or equal to n. Okay, till then the current value is what, each clone doubles the count. This clone will double the count every time, and count how many clones are needed to reach n. Okay, it will double it and count how many clones are needed to reach the n. Okay, that's what we are doing. And at the end, what we do, clone plus n minus max, this will give us the final answer. Okay, that how what I can say, it tell us at least one array which all elements are equal. It will tell us what I can say, minimum number of operation which we have performed to reach an array. Okay, reach one array where all elements are equal. That's what it will do. Okay, so yeah guys, that's it. Let me run a test case also. Just a second. Yeah, so it's working fine. The answer is also correct, as you can see over here. It's correct. So yeah guys, that's it. Now if you have any doubt, write down in the comment section. I will definitely try to reply it. Thank you for watching.